Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. We're starting off our show here at Tule Wind Farm outside of San Diego, California. You know, wind power is the largest source of renewable electricity in the United States and has been for well over a decade. But today there's a growing vision for all of renewable energy led by the energy companies themselves. Let's take a look. At Yale University, environmental studies have been underway for well over a century. Here, Peter Boyd is a lecturer at the Yale School of the Environment and the iconic Kroon Hall on campus, known for its solar paneled roof, natural ventilation, and radical energy-saving design. Boyd thinks environmental research is critical today, and the transition to a sustainable world is the challenge of our generation. Only now that research is increasing with a new sense of urgency for renewables and an energy transition.
Clearly, we've got to change our energy system across from fossil fuel burning, anything that's creating CO2 and heat trapping gas in our atmosphere, through to sort of stop polluting basically all of our infrastructure from fossil fuel burning non-sustainable sources into sustainable sources.
Boyd thinks it's essential that energy companies lead the way to decarbonization, and many are. One way they're doing so is by increasing renewable generation, which is critical to mitigate climate change. For Avangrid, headquartered here in Orange, Connecticut, it's a leading sustainable energy company in the United States. Producing and delivering renewable energy is a big part of their plan.
You need energy. So the question is what type of energy and where from. We agree 100% that it should be green energy, and the sources are very simple. You have some hydro opportunities, you have some wind opportunities, some solar opportunities. That's what you have mainly right now. As long as you don't have enough supply, you need to continue to look for these opportunities in the most efficient way. I think we're contributing, basically as much as we can to changing the world, and I think we're very proud of what we have achieved.
With operations in 24 states, Avangrid is one of the top providers of renewable energy in the country and a leader in the clean energy transition. So Earth traveled to one of its many wind farms, Tule Wind Farm near San Diego, to find out how developing such a clean energy resource is helping to decarbonize an entire nation.
We have 57 GE 2.3 megawatt turbines here, which collectively they can output 131 megawatts at max power, powering 40,000 homes in the area, providing clean, renewable energy to local communities.
This beautiful wind facility is one of 72 renewable facilities we have across the country. And today, we almost have 9 gigawatts of renewable capacity. That's really enough to serve nearly 3 million customers. And we're growing to nearly 17 gigawatts in the next 7 years. So really, that renewable growth is really so critical to help decarbonize the U.S.
Now, the network side of the business here at Avangrid is responsible for delivering all this clean energy to homes and businesses across the United States.
Our motto is we are clean and connected. These are non-PCB transformers, so we want to do the right thing and run a clean system. But the key part is the connecting clean energy to our customers. So what we need to do as a country is figure out where we can generate power most efficiently from renewable resources and how to get that power to our load centers, our cities, where our people live.
It means the transmission of clean energy from solar, hydroelectric, and wind projects across the U.S., and even this country's first large-scale offshore wind farm, being built off the coast of Martha's Vineyard, the Vineyard Wind 1.
So when the project is done, we will see that they are installed more than 60 turbines, each of them more than 13 megawatts of power from the tip of the blade to the bottom of the foundation in much more than 200 meters. It's going to look like a project that is delivering 800 megawatts of power to Massachusetts, being the first one, the largest utility scale project in all the Americas for offshore industry. We have now the possibility to deliver energy that is clean, pure, that is not polluting the planet, and by the way, very affordable.
My vision, my hope is that we continue to see this beauty throughout the country, helping really address climate change.
There's a wonderful term from Eisenhower saying that if you can't solve the problem, make it bigger. And I think if we holistically look at America as an energy system we all have to solve together, whether it's utility companies, policy, finance, and consumers, and our role, then we can make this transition.
You know, wind and solar are the fastest growing sources of renewable energy these days. And as new wind farms are being built both onshore and offshore, the cost of energy production and greenhouse gas emissions are going down. And that means more parts of this good earth are becoming part of the renewable landscape. I'm John Holden. Thanks for watching.